Hey loves, welcome back. It's me, Jessica, also known as Mrs. Jezzy, and thank you so much for clicking on today's video, and welcome if you are new. In today's video, I am going to be tackling my kitchen. It is not terrible, you all have seen worse, but it is something that I needed to take care of today, especially the kitchen floors. They are such a mess. So if you are looking for motivation, you are in the right place. Grab your cup of coffee, your cup of tea, a snack, and let's get this done. So before we begin, I wanted to quickly thank Dodotop for sending me another bag. This is my second time working with this company. I really enjoyed it the first time. I was so happy with the quality of the bag that I received the first time. My girls actually use it. It was a two-piece bag, and I actually separated it and bought an extra chain, and now both of my girls have a small Pochette, which I just love that they love the same designer as I do. I did decide to go with another Pochette meaning it's a small bag. I do have a big one that I use a lot for work and for school, and I decided why not, since I'm always on the go. I'm just wanting like some type of crossbody that is just easy for me, and then also I carry less things when it's smaller. I love the packaging. I've always loved the packaging from this company. This is just a little envelope. I guess if you were gifting it to somebody, you can write a little note and put it on the inside, and also wrap up the box with the ribbon. This is the receipt. There's actually two different receipts. There is this receipt right here, and then once you open up the envelope, there is a full receipt, which is very nice. The quality is very nice. I really like it, and just the cream color of the receipt in general is just so bougie, and I love it. And I guess this is somewhat like of a shipping receipt, but they always have great packaging. Now on to my favorite part. I love how it still comes in this bag just like my original one does. It's a really good quality bag. It protects it from any kind of dust or anything like that. I'm sure all of you know that, but oh my goodness, this bag is so beautiful. I am so thankful to be able to work with them again. The bag is amazing quality. It feels, even smells just like the one that my husband purchased for me years ago. This bag is absolutely beautiful. If you are interested in it, I will leave all the information down below in the description box. I am also going to be pinning the information in the comment section. That way it's easier for you to find, along with the contact information. The person that I have worked with both times, her name is Maggie, and she is absolutely amazing. Great customer service. I really enjoy following her on Instagram and working with her. She is so sweet, and she always responds to any comment that I leave on any of her photos. I really like how I was able to adjust the straps to make it a little bit bigger for my size, and I love exactly where it lays on my body. How cute is this? Oh my goodness. Again, thank you Dodotop for working with me again. I am truly thankful for you guys, and again, if you are interested, everything will be listed down below in the description box. Thank you again, Maggie. Now let's get on to cleaning. So as you can see, the big elephant in the room is another refrigerator. Guys, I kid you not, my refrigerator, the main refrigerator in my kitchen, has gone out yet again. I have literally been struggling with that refrigerator since February of this year. Non-stop. I cannot even tell you how many times GE has been in my home. The last guy that was here, he was like, I cannot believe I'm here again. And I told him, I cannot believe you're here again either. Like, it is crazy how this refrigerator keeps going out. It'll start making this weird noise, and then it will just completely go out. The refrigerator side does not get cold at all, but the freezer side gets cold as if it was a refrigerator, but does not freeze. That refrigerator was customized for my kitchen, so my husband has not taken it out yet, because I guess he just feels that one day we're going to be able to repair it and it's just going to work. But I feel like it's been long enough. It's just too much already. I'm frustrated with it, and when it happened again the other day, I was like, no, I am not dealing with this again. either switch it out and put that one in there, and I do not care about how the little one looks in that space, or just bring that little one in here and I just have both of them in here at the same time, because I have no shame. I need a working refrigerator. I am too busy to constantly be going in and out of the garage to get things. I purchase too much groceries to be going in and out of the garage to get things. Like, I'm so over it. So I have both of them in there. Y'all, please excuse that little rant. I'm so over the refrigerator. And my girl Bethany, she already knows. Every time something goes wrong with that refrigerator, I'm calling, texting her, FaceTiming her. Like, I'm just like, girl, I'm so over this thing. Okay, so I know it's been a while, at least 2 weeks since I posted a video. That is exactly how long my kids have been back in school. When I tell you that I have been struggling to figure out a routine, I mean, I was on the struggle bus. I could not do it. It was hard for me to figure out what days I was able to film, what days I am able to edit and then upload. There are some days where I'm really good at like filming and editing on the same day, but ever since school started, you would think that I'd have more time during the day, and I actually don't. If you are new here, I do have 2 teenage daughters that are in high school. My son Julian is also in high school as well. I have a freshman, a sophomore, and a senior, and my 2 girls are cheerleaders, and at the beginning of the year I ran for president for their cheer board. I did get that position, so now I am go with the school. My whole life right now is just around the kids and school, which, hey, I am so thankful for. I am so blessed that I am able to be a working stay-at-home mom where I can be a part of the kids' journey through school and through cheer and stuff like that. But I'm not saying it is more than I can handle. I'm just trying to get a hang of it. So now I feel like my schedules for YouTube are going to be Thursday and Monday. I feel like that's the best thing for me. I'm not set on an exact time. I do know that it would be sometime afternoon, just to give myself a little bit of time to edit if needed, because I have football games, homecoming, like I have so much stuff coming up, and I'm just trying to prioritize certain things and still include YouTube, because I do not want to let my channel go. I've been working too hard for too long to be where I'm at today, so I was just like, I'm gonna have to switch up my days, and that's just how it's gonna be until it calms down. And I'm hoping it calms down, like, honestly, after the holidays, because we still have cheer competition. But I just wanted to tell you guys, thank you so much for always coming back and supporting my channel. I know that there have been many times where I was not consistent, and I was actually on a roll. I was doing really good. I was proud of myself. I enjoyed all the interaction, all the new subscribers that I was receiving for being consistent constantly, and it kind of fell off, but I'm right back at it again. I have been using my planners, and I'm sorting out things that I'm going to be doing on certain days. I have not a schedule, a daily schedule, but I have a daily to-do list. And as long as I tackle those, I am able to be a good homemaker, to be an awesome mom, to be a great president for cheer, to be there for the school, to be there for my kids, to be there for my husband. Like, I have daily tasks that as long as I complete them, my life is going to be easy. But I just wanted to say thank you very, very much for your support. I am thankful for each and every single one of you who always come back and watch my videos. I have been talking for a while now, so I'm going to go ahead and stop and just let you enjoy. Let it go.
could stop pretending that I wanted this to happen, I could just say it, say how I feel now. But my tongue is like a wall, keeping words safe in my heart. I can never say that, but I get too far in my thoughts. They take me back to the start, what we were, like we're still all good. I get too far in my thoughts. They take me back to the start, what we were, like we're still all good. You know I miss you the most when I'm lonely. You know I miss you the most when I'm lonely. When it's scary to give in, but somehow love always wins. But then I'm lonely, and my mind doesn't understand. I get too far in my thoughts. They take me back to the start, what we were, like we're still all good. I get too far in my thoughts. They take me back to the start, what we were, like we're still all good. You know I miss you the most when I'm lonely. You know I miss you the most when I'm lonely. You know I miss you the most when I'm lonely. You know I miss you the most when I'm lonely. You know I miss you the most when I'm lonely.
Okay, loves, we have reached the end of the video. If you are still here, please drop a pumpkin emoji down below to let me know that you watched the video all the way through. To all of my oldies but goodies, thank you so much for always coming back and supporting my channel. Your support will never ever go unnoticed, and I will never fail to tell you thank you in each and every video. To all of my new subscribers, welcome. Thank you so much for joining my YouTube family. I am so grateful for each and every one of you who come and watch my videos every time I post. To all of the ones who watch and have yet to subscribe, I love to tell you thank you as well, because you are taking the time out of your day to watch a video, and that is time that I cannot give back. If you would please like, comment, and share my video, I would truly appreciate it, and I will definitely see you all in the next one. XoXo. Love, Jessie.